today, but do we know what it's all about? The acronym stands for the Natural Sciences, Technology-related fields, Engineering, and Maths. STEM is necessary for every economy to grow and stay globally competitive. Most STEM jobs are in high demand, but the qualified candidates are not enough. This calls for the introduction of STEM education at all stages of the natural curriculum. Recently, the term was reinvented as STEAM, where A stands for Arts and Humanities, recognizing the fact that creativity is important in STEM education. No matter how we approach it, STEM is a crucial aspect of modern education and very good for boosting innovation, problem solving, and critical thinking.
STEM approach can be quite useful when teaching physics and can help students gain applied skills in maths. Activities with DIY electronic kits can be introduced to students with a STEM approach as early as 6th grade during natural sciences and math classes, both individually and interdisciplinary, and more so in 7th grade, when electricity, electrical circuits, and electromagnetism are widely covered during the physics classes. Given DIY electronic kits, students can first assemble them, then calculate and measure different values of the circuit, like current and voltage, using Ohm's law, calculating resistance and capacitance of the electrical circuits where components are linked in series and parallel, electrical power, and by exploring the junction characteristics of semiconductor devices such as diodes and transistors, students can take the first steps toward physics and engineering.
3D printing is a manufacturing process that helps us create three-dimensional objects based on a computer-created design by adding the material in layers. The most common materials used are plastics, resins, nylon, and carbon fiber. The applications of 3D printing in the educational process can be very diverse, but most useful they will be in physics, chemistry, and biology classes, where the school can print its own 3D models of atoms, molecules, chemical chains, various parts of the human body, organs, and systems. The printing can be part of the educational process.
Lego robotics activities are very suitable for younger students in primary school because of their gaming aspect. In a fun way, Lego robotics introduces children to the world of technology, engineering, and mathematics, while designing, constructing, and programming robots to perform specific tasks. Young students develop problem-solving skills, creative skills, and critical thinking. Lego robotics classes consist of two parts: construction, where dexterity and imagination are developed and the learning process is gamified, and programming, the more serious stage, where first knowledge of programming language, elementary commands, and robot movement in space are required. Lego robotics can also have applications in the progymnasium stage of learning. It can support programming in IT classes in grade 7, where the basic programming language Python is taught. Lego robotics can illustrate the commands being taught, making the graphic user interface meaningful and easy for students to understand. And another interesting applications of Lego robotics would be illustrating historical battles through Lego programmed robots and constructions. Ancient history studied in 5th grade is particularly conducive for this.
The STEM by STEM is an Erasmus-funded project between 8 partner organizations from 4 countries, which aims to help both teachers and students to get to know and love STEM learning. In the form of a toolkit with guidelines, the project puts in the hands of teachers ready tools for accessible, innovative, and engaging teaching of STEM subjects at school, plus tips and tricks for applying the STEM approach to regular and extracurricular activities. The toolkit with guidelines contains 34 ready-to-implement STEM lessons, integrating elements of programming, 3D printing, electronics, and robotics into innovative interdisciplinary modules that cover a wide range of school subjects and topics across primary and secondary school curricula. Some of them cover pure STEM subjects such as natural sciences, mathematics, and engineering. Other subjects are in the humanities and correspond with STEM subjects, or can benefit from a STEM approach, such as project-based learning, interdisciplinary projects, or even hands-on activities. The resources will also be freely available through the STEM by STEM wiki page in English and the 4 languages of the partners: Spanish, Italian, Bulgarian, and Romanian. For all interested in STEM learning, it will host the educational resources and all 34 lessons developed by the team of teachers and educational specialists from partner schools and NGOs in Bulgaria, Italy, Spain, and Romania.